welcome back. We are doing a Wingstop review kind of mukbang, but we gotta make it short because I gotta go back to work. So we got some regular extra seasoned fries that we already been snacking on, and we like Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A.
I got me a piece.
We got the Cajun corn, but I don't like spicy, so I got the lemon pepper and Parmesan seasoning instead of the Cajun seasoning. And then we got the garlic Parmesan wings and the smoked barbecue wings.
This barbecue was for me because she said they were too spicy.
And then I got us honey mustard, both honey mustard for each other. Yes. How you like the barbecue? Is it
Kind of spicy, but good.
what you rated?
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna try the garlic Parmesan with the honey mustard. Yep. So already, I work from home and we not busy, so I love the corn. I just didn't like how spicy it is, but I got it with garlic Parmesan instead of the Cajun seasoning.
Got a lot of Parmesan in that.
All right, everything 10 out of 10. The barbecue wings too spicy for me, so it's probably a 4 out of 10 for me. But everything else 10 out of 10.
Everything for me, 10 out of 10.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right now I'm doing mini videos or mini vlogs because my laptop is out of commission, y'all. I wish I could have continued and finished Vlogmas, but I'ma still push out the content and we still gonna get it done. Love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I said. Thank you so much for the support as always. Peace. Yeah.